Stop it! Enough! She's a kid!
But somebody died under that rat's control!
Let's all take a moment and calm down! It's barely been one day, and everyone's already acting crazy! Try and come back to your senses for a second!
Too bad. Looks like this thing's out of bullets. Help me, please! She's taking over my body!
I'm not!
I don't want to die!
This is my home. It's your home now, too. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Why do I feel pity for this human? Why do I want this heart? Who am I? According to the knowledge this man possesses, the old me was called Makima. Destroying his contract with Pochita, his dream of living a normal life, will awaken Chainsaw Man. The same Chainsaw Man the old me once sought. If I grant her wish, I might find out who I am. This human is empty. I'll fill him up with happiness, then destroy it. Denji, you're a huge idiot! You don't think about anything!
Hey, don't say mean crap right before bed.
You're also a student, and Chainsaw Man, and... What about me? Who am I?
You're my family, Nayuta.
Ugh, could you get any cheesier?
You've never had a family. You were always drawn to that word. You threw that all away when you chose Chainsaw Man, didn't you?
There's no way I could ever have a family. I mean, I killed my own dad.
Nayuta, you're awake. You slept like a dog. Where's Nayuta? What happened to Nayuta? Sorry, I don't know either, but... Where is she? You've been asleep for an entire week. You won't be able to walk right away. A week? Why didn't you wake me up? Denji, I thought I'd dumbed it down enough for even a monkey to understand. Turn into Chainsaw Man, and I can't guarantee your normal life. You broke the rules. There's nothing more I can do to help you. I put him back under.
Good job. Are they seriously gonna dismember Denji-senpai?
Yeah.
In that case, can I pluck out some of his hair and nails before it's too late? His body's about to become property of the state. I gotta add to my collection.
I thought you were a Chainsaw Man fan.
I sure am. I'm a collector.
Pochita, I gotta get up.
Why?
I have to go save Nayuta.
favor? How can you do that without your legs?
Prepare suction. Right leg 26, amputation complete. Bag this, please. Next, we'll start on right leg 27. Excuse me, no smoking during the operation, please. I can't concentrate. Could the Special Division agent kindly exit the operating room?
No can do. I'm under orders to kill Chainsaw Man if he flees. This is the Tokyo Devil Detention Center. Since its founding, no devil has ever escaped this facility. Armed personnel are on site around the clock. The detention center is prepared for any contingency. Even this recent Chainsaw Man incident was no exception. It would take a war to compromise this facility's safety.